Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen PH online shop. Meron tayong mga power bracelets for protection, prosperity, at marami pang iba. And then, meron din tayong mga zodiac sign bracelets na nag-a-align ng energies for each zodiac signs. And then, we also have intention oils na merong tatlong sizes. Meron tayong 5 ml, and then merong 15 ml dropper, and then 30 ml dropper, intention oil. And then we also have a spell jar for protection and prosperity. And then the latest addition sa ating mga products ay ang cleansing and protection spray. So available siya in 50 ml and 100 ml bottle. Ayan, so available yan lahat sa ating Shopee, link on the description.
Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 16 to 22, 2023. General reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lang yung reading na to bilang gabay. So this is your bracelet, Capricorn bracelet. Meron tong gold sheen obsidian, garnet, at tiger's eye. So available to sa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Ayan. So, let's see, Capricorn. Ano yung energy ninyo for this week? Capricorn. Ooh, 10 of Pentacles. You focus on your money. This is also inheritance. Yung iba may mga matatanggap na mana or pwedeng ibibigay ng iyong parents sa'yo in terms of money or ari-arian gamit. And this is also focusing on your finances, your family. Okay, let's see naman yung challenge ninyo. Ano yung challenge ng mga Capricorn? 2 of Cups. Some of you, pwedeng merong misunderstanding with someone you love, someone who is close to you. This can be romantic partner or someone na kapamilya mo. Let's see. Or yung iba naman, business partnership. Pwedeng nagkakaroon kayo ng challenges dyan. So, ano yung opportunity ng mga Capricorn? 7 of Cups. Choices. I think, if you are multitasking, yung tipong marami kang ginagawa, meron kang opportunity na pumili ng best para sa'yo. Kung saan ka mas magfo-focus. Kasi pwedeng you are all over the place. Alam mo yung tipong meron kang main job, tas may side hustle ka and another one, and kung ano-ano pa, mga online jobs. I feel like kahit maraming opportunity sa'yo ngayon, parang pakaramdam mo, wala kang time para sa sarili mo. Kasi masyado ka nang busy. It doesn't seem that yung iba sa inyo masaya. Oo, parang yes, may mga opportunities na nag-open, gusto mong kunin, but there are times na parang kahit anong hard work mo or pagod mo or effort mo, parang hindi mo nakikita yung pinaghirapan mo. So, you have the opportunity to choose kung saan ka mas nag-enjoy, saan ka mas masaya, saan mas may fulfillment, para doon ka mas mag-focus, para hindi masyadong kalat-kalat yung energy mo to the point na hindi mo na nabibigyan ng attention yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, hindi mo na ma-enjoy yung pinaghirapan mo. Ano yung blessing ng mga Capricorn? The Page of Pentacles. The blessing is money. Meron kang talent or skill na pwede mong pagkakitaan. Oo. Yung iba naman sa inyo, pag-aaralan nyo pa. Halimbawa na lang, merong mga courses, short courses na ino-offer online. Like example, virtual assistants or kung ano-ano pa. Marami na yan sa online. And then, interesado ka doon. So, kung pag-aaralan mo, at pag napag-aralan mo na, pwede mong i-apply yan as work or sa mga ibang platform na nag-o-offer ng trabaho, pwede mo siyang pagkakitaan. What is the 10 of Pentacles? The Hanged Man. This is waiting. Parang iba sa inyo meron kayong hinihintay na pera. Pwede rin tong may hinihintay ka na mana. Pwedeng merong alam mo na para sa'yo yung pera na yun, pero hindi mo pa nakukuha. Kailangan pa ng patience. Oo, patience is the key. What is the Two of Cups? The Three of Pentacles. Some of you may mga challenges sa pakikipag-ugnayan sa ibang tao related sa trabaho. Pwedeng, yung iba sa inyo, merong hindi makakasundo na katrabaho, or boss, or kasosyo sa negosyo, ganyan. Pwede kasing, I'm seeing competition, na pwedeng nagiging dahilan kaya hindi nagiging maayos yung coordination ninyong dalawa. May sense of competition. What is the Seven of Cups? The Six of Wands, o diba? You have an opportunity to move past any hurdles, mapagtagumpayan yung mga challenges na to. Kailangan mo lang talagang pumili. Kasi meron dito na opportunity sa'yo na actually ginagawa mo na isa dyan ka mas magiging successful. So, halimbawa, may trabaho ka ngayon, tapos may iba ka pang other sources of income, side hustle mo, pero mas nag-enjoy ka dun sa side hustle mo or other sources of income mo kumpara dun sa main job mo. So, andun yung opportunity for you na pumili kung saan ka mas magiging masaya. At doon ka mas magiging successful kasi masaya ka na ginagawa mo yung trabaho na yun. And it seems na hindi siya trabaho for you. Okay? Kesa dun sa napipilitan kang gawin araw-araw dahil lang meron kang income doon but you're not really fulfilled on what you're doing there. No? So what is the Page of Pentacles? The High Priestess. There's wisdom. There is also guidance, no? If you want to start your own business or a new endeavor, bagong project na gusto mong i-pursue, mararamdaman mo yan eh. Kasi with the High Priestess here, this is your higher self, this is your intuition, your instinct, and you are going to be guided. No? Mararamdaman mo na, ito pala yung opportunity talaga for you na mas kailangan mong bigyan ng attention. Mas kailangan mong pag-ukulan ng pansin, pagbuhusan ng effort. Sensitive soul, strengthen your boundaries and cut cords. Setting boundaries para hindi ka ma-take advantage ng ibang tao na hindi naman kailangan available ka lagi sa kanila. You choose the people na nagde-deserve ng energy mo. Okay? And if there are people na dinedrain ka lang or toxic lang sa environment mo, then it's time to cut cords. Okay? And keep the good ones. So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Capricorn. See you again.